Travel back in time to the era when the Southern Railway ran steam locomotives, serving the small communities of the South. In Southern Steam, you'll visit the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum and the Monticello Railway Museum, where special freight and mixed trains recreate the old times. There's plenty to see in this program. Ride in the cab of number 630. See double-headed freights featuring 280 number 630 and 282 number 4501. At Monticello, enjoy a mixed train much like one would have seen in the 1950s with 280 number 401. If you're a fan of steam railroading, you'll want to get your copy today.
To order this program, visit our website at www.a-trains.com. In addition to DVDs, we carry thousands of items, including shirts, hats, clocks, books, and much, much more. To order our print catalog, use the mailing information on the screen or call our toll-free number 800-248-9670.